Have you been dealing with some jaw tension and general tightness around this area? Try these two techniques with me. They've made such a difference in my life, and I'm going to teach you just how to do them. So let's get started. So we're going to start by applying a little bit of face oil. You don't need much, but we're going to put a little bit on here just to help with the glide when we're doing these massage techniques. Here, it's really important just so we're not tugging on the skin and creating more wrinkles and lines. So we're going to start by doing some gentle tapping. So we're going to gently tap all the way here on the lower part of our face. This is a really great technique to sort of wake up the muscles, boost some circulation here before we get into the deeper techniques. You're going to gently tap here, going all the way down to the neck area. So much of that tension is in our neck area as well. So just by tapping here, it's really going to help release that tension. Wonderful. So we're going to start with our first technique. So we're going to take our knuckles, place them here right by the ears, and you're going to open up your mouth slightly here and kind of relax your jaw. But you're going to glide all the way down to the jaw right here. So we're going to do this a few times. This can be a little bit painful at first, but this is really powerful to release that tension in the jaw. So again, glide slowly here. Open up your mouth slightly, releasing. And you can really feel here where there's certain areas where there's more fascia adhesions here, where you can feel certain knots. This is where you want to focus a little bit extra on this area. This is such a powerful technique because the jaw tension is the cause of so much of our facial asymmetry, causing more lines and wrinkles, TMJ, headaches. So this is such a powerful technique that you can do every single day if you want. Hopefully you're feeling some release here in that jaw. I'm certainly feeling it. Wonderful. Next, we are going to do a very powerful technique to release the jaw tension as well. You want to place your hands here behind your neck. Take the base of your hand here. You're going to place it right on the jaw. So you want to place the base of your hand right here on both sides. And we are going to gently look up, tilt your head back slightly. And look up if you can. And you're not going to be moving the hands at all. You're really only going to be tilting your head back slightly. And open up your mouth slightly again, relaxing the jaw. You're going to feel that this part of the jaw here, you're going to be moving down slightly here, releasing any of that tension. You can go as long as 3 to 4 minutes if you can. It takes a little bit while to get used to this technique, but it does really help with that jaw tension. Wonderful. Next, we are just going to take our fingers hopefully you have a little bit of oil on your skin already. So you're going to take your fingers here, glide all the way out to the ears like this. This is a very powerful technique, massage techniques, to kind of release any of that tension that we've just been working on right now. Just smoothing out this area. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. Hopefully you feel some tension release right now, and this is a practice you can come back to anytime you start feeling that jaw tension building up, and you can do this every single day if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and go check out my other video right here as well. So thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next one.